This chapter is going to deal with human reproduction. Now, we know that humans undergo what is called as the complex process of sexual reproduction. Now, sexual reproduction usually it refers to a process where there is a male gamete or a male sex cell and a female gamete or a female sex cell, and when they fuse, they form the first cell of the next generation or the new individual. Okay, now sexual reproduction has few characters and it is seen in all organisms, majority of the living organisms. As we have discussed, there is the fusion of the male sex cell and the female sex cell. Now, the male sex cell can also be called as the paternal gamete and the female sex cell is also called as the maternal gamete. So, when these maternal and paternal gametes fuse, not only will they help in the formation of the next generation, what they are creating is an area for genetic recombination where parental alleles are will undergo some changes. They will undergo some variations, new combinations will be created. So that is the first and the most important character of sexual reproduction, that is to have variations and reproductions. Now, all variations are very important because we know that variations are the ones, genetic variations are the ones that are causing the evolution. The next and most important thing is that because of these variations, the stronger organisms will survive and the weaker organisms will go on perishing. And what this does is it creates a situation called the survival of the fittest, where the strongest species will keep on improving. Now, as we have discussed, sexual reproduction is a complex process. It is a very slow process. In fact, there are organisms like the case of our elephant. It's a cute little baby elephant, right? Well, for that cute little baby elephant to come, the poor mother elephant has to undergo a gestation period of 22 months. That's almost 2 years. Yep, it's a laborious process. So, and it takes place only in favorable conditions. Unlike asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction is limited to certain characters. It cannot take place at every condition. There are certain conditions that the organisms have to meet, and the conditions that should be also favorable, then only for the sexual reproduction to happen.